Got some Lisa pepper in the corner. I think that's a pink bumblebee behind the viburnum plant. Minnesota mini melon. French mini melon, I can't remember the name of. Another Minnesota mini melon. Cherokee purple. Sweetheart cherry. Minnesota mini melon. Lisa pepper. Sweet 100. I think it's Reka blueberry. Sugar baby miniature watermelon. 3 more Reka blueberries and a Snackabelle red mini pepper. And we're through the gate. Here's the hummingbird feeder and chickadee feeder that I put up. Here's the, what I call the strawberry tower. Had to put a net over it because the squirrels were getting into it, but it's starting to come in. And I think it's what, June 4th today, so it's definitely time. And the shed I built, and the main garden space. Put in 8 flowers in here. There's one from last year popping up over there. I don't even know what it is. But the hummingbirds like these. Here's my cucumbers. Pickling cucumber, slicing cucumber, yellow squash, sweetie, cherry tomato, another pink bumblebee, acorn squash. Here's my herbs from last year, rosemary and oregano. And we built a trellis for green beans, yellow green bean and 2 Kentucky Wonder green beans, basil, what is that? That is Snackabelle red. That's a small 2-inch pepper. There's another one. That one's getting eaten. I don't know if it's gonna make it. But here we've got another sweetie, cherry tomato, one of Cindy's that we don't really know which it is, and then another Sweet 100. 3 of them on this trellis here. Over here we have Early Girl, zucchini, Cindy's cherry tomato, zucchini, Early Girl, radishes, some more blueberries and strawberries by the shop entrance. And that's pretty much it.